Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use whip and ice. I haven't seen any videos on how to use this, so today I'm going to show you how. And by the way, I'm sorry I've been missing. I've had a lot going on. So let's go and I'll show you how to use it. So the whip and ice is used in lots of bakeries for the jam and cream donuts that you all love. I'm just going to read some of the instructions on the side. It says keep frozen because when you buy this from a cake decorating shop, it comes frozen. For under refrigerator 2 to 7 degrees Celsius. Any remaining liquid can be refrigerated for a week. Do not refreeze the liquid. Shake well before opening. And you have to whip this to about 20% capacity. You can over whip it and it's very hard to pipe on the cupcakes because it comes out all blotchy. Whip on medium speed using wire whip or whisk. Whip until soft peaks form and the glossiness disappears. So let's go and I'll show you how to use it. So as per instructions, I'm going to give it a little shake. And I've got my trusty KitchenAid here and I'm just going to pour it in and let it whip till about 20%. See, pouring it in like so. Got a few cupcakes to ice. And this is really good and really tasty. You'd love it. So here we go. And just put it on low and let it whip for about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. At this point, I just turn up the speed to high. Now that took exactly 10 minutes to do. Okay, now we have our whip and ice all done. Now we're going to ice the cupcakes. How good does that look? Okay, and just check it out. It looks so good. You could just eat it by the spoonful. Hey, Lolly. Yummo. And I'm just going to ice them and put some jam on the cupcakes after I've done them. So I've got like a cup and I've twisted, so you get your piping bag and then you twist it like that and push it down. So then you push that over, put it in the cup so the icing doesn't come out. So you fill up the ice and whip into your piping bag. Just a little bit of time, and then twist it and push it down like that. And then you're gonna ice the cupcake like that. So just pipe a little bit into the bowl first to get it going, and then you pipe like that. Yum. Yum. Yeah.
Yum, my mom. Thanks.
Now that I've piped all my cupcakes, I am now going to add my donut jam to the top of the cupcake. Look how nice that pipes. So decadent. So, if you love my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers, guys. Yum.